BoldTrail CRM Software Demo 2025 Full Guide. Want to skyrocket productivity and convert more leads? Meet BoldTrail, your AI-powered growth engine for real estate. And so, first of all, you have to demo importing leads from MLS or IDX website and show lead validation and enrichments like real-time checks of contact info and social profiles. And after that, you have to set routing rules by region, price range, agents, like automated assignments. And after that, you have to highlight daily task views with prioritized follow-ups and show active cards, call reminders, message history, use built-in power dialer, mass texting, email blasts, and video messaging. And demo automated follow-up flows is should be: if lead views property, you have to send text. If they favorite listing, email similar homes and showcase a campaign builder with email or SMS or templates. And after that, you have to quickly upload property details, images, price, and status, and then show IDX enabled landing pages and property search integrated with CRM. And after that, you can launch analytics dashboard and lead conversion, campaign performance, and agent stats, and drill into a report like perhaps showing ROI or task completion rate. And after that, you can show mobile app on the go calling, logging notes, follows ups, and highlight mobile notification and daily warm lead list. And Bold Trail brings lead captures, routing, nurturing, and analytics into one AI powered platform. Scheduling a demo today and schedule your demo. Thanks for watching this video. See you on the next one.